Kerbey Lane Cafe here in Austin is apologizing this morning to two customers following some racist comments made by another customer. Now, this is the post on Facebook. It's Sarat Al-Nahi saying that her friend was parking when a man commented that she should, quote, go back to Saudi Arabia where she came from. Al-Nahi says the man turned to her, told her the same thing, and then asked if she had a gun. She says Kerbey Lane didn't do anything. They didn't address the man or his comments. The restaurant later posted on Facebook that they have reached out to both women and they regret the way they handled that situation. They say they do not handle racist comments and the customer who made them should have been asked to leave.